Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma, and the book which we are doing, Maths of Nursery. Student, today we will learn numbers 41 to 50. Count, say and trace together. Count, say aloud and trace the numbers. Let's start with me, students. Say with me. 41, 4 tens and one more 41. Now trace the number 4 and 1. 41. Very good. Next is 42. 4 tens and 2 more. 42. Say it loudly. 42. Now trace 4 and 2. 42. Now comes 43. 4 tens and 3 more. 43. Count the objects. 41, 42 and 43. Trace 4 and 3. 43. Excellent. Next number is 44. Say with me. 44. Trace 4, 4, 44. Now 45. 4, 10 and 5 more. 45. Trace 4 and 5. 45. Very good, students. Next is 46. Say 46. Trace 4 and 6. Very nice. Now number is 47. 4 tens and 7 more. 47. Trace 4 and 7. 47. Let's count together. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46 and 47. Next is 48. Say 48. Trace 4 and 8. 48. Very nice. Comes 49. Say 49. Trace 4 and 9. 49. Last number is 50. Say 50. Trace 5 and 0. 50.